As we lead into tax season, it's really important to look at the depreciation on the properties that you might have as investment properties. So I'm here today with Joanne Danckwardt from One Agency JD Property Agents in Fairy Meadow. Joanne, I've got a property that we're renting out. What do I need to know coming into tax season in regards to depreciation?
Okay, so a lot of people don't realise that they can depreciate. What does that actually mean? You know, like as a property, a piece of item within a house ages, it's worth less.
So we're looking at appliances, things like that?
Yes.
Yep.
And so when it gets installed and it's brand new, it's worth X amount, and over time it reduces in value. You as the owner of the property are entitled to receive some depreciation, which is the reduction in the value over time. And I've been told that there are a lot of items that they depreciate for 40 years.
Wow.
So a lot of the time we think that it's an older property and it probably doesn't warrant depreciation, but you'd be surprised how often you will replace a stove or you'll replace some item within the property, and you'd be able to benefit from depreciation.
So how do we know then what items we can?
Okay, so you need to have a depreciation schedule done by a person that does them. They're usually like an estimator, and I recommend it on all the properties, you know, because a lot of the time, you know, it's $595 roughly for them to do the inspection. There's companies out there now that if they don't save you tax, you'll get refunded that $595. The $595 is a tax deduction as well, so that's good. So you're just trying to minimise the tax that you pay. So you'd be surprised how often you would be able to be eligible for some benefit in your reduction of tax if you had a depreciation schedule. So it's a really important time to think about it and just reflect on what improvements have I done at the property, and am I able to claim some depreciation. And like I said, it's easy enough for us to organise for you, and at that cost it's well worth it.
Wow, it's worth asking the question for sure. If you've got more questions around depreciation, how it works, or if you need some advice around that, please contact Joanne here at One Agency JD Property Agents in Fairy Meadow. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.